Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Suffix 14. Suffix today is bound, okay, B-O-U-N-D as a word ending. And we're going to be covering 4 uses and 4 meanings of the suffix bound. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. The suffix bound combines with nouns to form adjectives, which is greatly affected in a negative way by weather. All right, here's the first one. Snowbound, very, very common. If you lived in the northeast of the U.S., you would know this. Being unable to move due to heavy snow. That blizzard caused us to be snowbound for several days. Yeah, maybe there was several feet of snow and you couldn't get out. You were stuck in your house for several days due to the bad blizzard, the bad snowstorm. All right, next one. Fogbound. Covered in fog to the degree that movement is impossible or dangerous. The airport was fog-bound, and the planes were grounded for several hours because too much fog. They couldn't see, too dangerous to leave or come in. All right, the next one here, icebound, being surrounded by ice and unable to move. Okay, the temperature was below 0 degrees Fahrenheit, and the water around the dock was frozen. The boats were all icebound, so they were stuck because there's too much water and they can't move anywhere. All right. The second way we use it, the suffix bound combines with nouns to form adjectives that it is difficult to leave or move from, some place. So here's the first one, wheelchair bound. Yeah, you might hear this. Limited to a wheelchair. He had been wheelchair bound ever since that terrible accident. So obviously he probably lost the use of his legs. He can't walk anymore. So he's limited to staying or moving around in a wheelchair. All right, the next one, housebound. Okay, here, housebound. Limited to staying in one's house. And here's the example. He was housebound due to house arrest. Yeah, so like sometimes that's one of the punishments they do. If they don't put them in jail, sometimes they put an ankle bracelet around them. It's a monitor, and they can't leave their house. So that's their housebound. They're forced to just stay in their house for a certain period of time as a punishment. I don't know, 6 months or a year or something like that. All right, let's read the next one, number 3. The suffix bound can be used to describe other things that are covered or held together in a certain way. All right, we got one example for this one, leather bound. So leather bound would be covered or held together with leather. Okay, so you could say this book has a leather bound cover. Okay, good. And the fourth one here, you can use the suffix bound meaning traveling in a particular direction. Okay, and we have 3 examples here. The train is traveling northbound. And you can say it either way, southbound, northbound. Okay, good. All the outbound buses were outbound means that they're leaving. Inbound means they're coming in. So all the outbound buses were delayed. Maybe they stopped them from leaving on time for some reason. And the last one here, that soldier has finished his service and will be homeward bound tomorrow. Homeward bound means you're heading in the direction of home. Maybe he finished his service and finally he can go back home. So he will be homeward bound tomorrow because his military service ends. He's going to be homeward bound. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. I hope it's very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.